Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and what your profit store. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. You have to sign up, and also you can download the application on Google Play, which is called Facebook. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter a side hustle. In this video, we will delve into the ultimate tips for creating eye-catching listings, settings, competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics. I will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So first of all, you have just to click over here. Once you do that, you have to scroll down and you will find here Marketplace. You click over it and you'll find here the products if you want to buy something. For example, we have here categories or niches. So I will choose, for example, clothes. And if you come back here, we have browse all, notifications also, inbox, buying and selling. As you can see, we have filters. You can just minimize your price and between the minimum and the maximum. Then we have also conditions here. New, if you want to use like new, and used good or other typical. As you can see. So let's come back. I will show you right now how you can get started. So you have just to click over create new listings, and then we have here choose listing type. We have the first one, which is item for sale. Create a single listing for one or more items to sell. Then we have here vehicle for sale. Sell a car, van or other type of vehicle. Property for sale or rent. Also we have here list a house or flat for sale or rent. So we click over the first one. Once you do that, you will find other page here, as you can see. So we have here your lesson preview. As you create your lesson, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. So I will add a photo. So we'll choose this one. Then I will upload it here. So this is how it looks. Then you have just to write your title. We have here required to be as descriptive as possible. We have your title, for example, basketball shoes. Then the price here, for example, $50. Then we have the category also, if it's antiques and collectibles, and we have arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories. Then we have PB products, packs and luggage here, and we have also books, film and music, mobile phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories. So I'll click over this one. And we have here clothing, shoes and accessories, baby clothing and shoes, children clothing and shoes, men's accessories, men's clothing, men's shoes, women accessories, and other things. So we over men's shoes. Then we have here men's pots, then we have men's sandals, men's slippers, men's athletic shoes. For course, I will choose this one. Then we have here the condition. If is it new, used like new, used good, used fair. So I will click over this one. You have to be careful about this one, and you just be honest, because if you just click over new and you will just buy it, and then your followers will not trust you in the next time. Then you have your more details. Attract more interest by including more details. You have your men's shoe size. Choose the size that you want. Then you have the brand. Of course, we have your Nike, and you have activity here. Aerobic, athlete, of course I will choose basketball. Color also, to select the color, black and red. Then we have description, new shoes basketball for 7, which is called Kyrie Irving Infinity. Then you have your availability, list as a single item. If you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. List as a stock, you have just if you are selling more than one item, show in stock on your listing. Now product tags also, you have SKU and you have location and we have the last things, major preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. We have public meetup, meet in a public location, door pick up. Buyer picks up at your door, then we have to drop off. You drop off at buyer's door. We have here post listing after it's been published. You can here, for example, click over here if you want. Post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into ad. Now you have your hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. We have the last things, marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeit, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed in marketplace. See our commerce policies. You can just click over here and you will learn more information about how it works with that. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces. With tools to create appealing listings and options for sharing within local groups, sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So, sale on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted item into cash and potentially grow a driven side business. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sell approaches. So this is how it works with Facebook and sell on Marketplace Facebook. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.